Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for a carrot and orange soup. Sit back, relax and enjoy. Thanks for watching. So we take a heavy base saucepan, put it onto a medium heat, and we'll add some butter. Once the butter's melted, then we're going to add the grated onion. Now folks, as always, the recipe is in the description box below. Give our onion a stir and let it cook for 3 minutes. Now that the onion's softened, we're just going to season with some salt and freshly ground pepper. Once the onion's cooked a bit more, then we're going to add our carrots. Then our grated potato. Pop the lid on, reduce the heat and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Now that our vegetables are softened, we're going to add our orange rind. Then the freshly squeezed orange juice. And some vegetable stock. Give that a quick stir around, pop the lid on and let it cook for another 10 minutes. Now that our potatoes are fully cooked, our carrots are soft, we're just going to give it a quick stir, then we're going to take a blender and just whisk it up. Now I've just used a hand blender, but if you don't have one of these, an ordinary household blender will do. So now that our soup's been blended and thickened, just going to taste it for seasoning, and if it needs to, we can add some more salt and pepper. Now folks, if at this stage you find your soup's a little bit thick, don't be afraid to add some more vegetable stock or just some water to thin it down. So now that our soup is ready, it's time to serve. So now, as you can see, our soup is cooked, it's thick, it's totally healthy and extremely good for you. Now folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel and I can make further videos for you. And again, thanks for watching and I'll see you in my further videos.